It's Dr. P here, and I am driving to Cleveland again. And I was just thinking, it has been an absolute beautiful end of the summer, beginning of the fall. It has been sunny for the most part in the Northeast. I'm on the thruway right now. It can be cloudy and rainy and snowy and nasty, and it will be. But what I'm getting at is, if you look out there right now, it's beautiful, it's sunny, your mood is elevated when the sun is out. When the sun's not on you and it's cloudy, your mood is less. Clearly, light energy affects us in a positive way, just like it affects all these plants. In plants, it's called photosynthesis. In humans, it's called photobiomodulation. It's a big word, but basically, that's how certain wavelengths of light, around between 650 and 1200 nanometers, can positively affect the body and positively affect healing. Certain lasers, like the healing laser that we have, increases blood flow to the area, it decreases inflammation, it stimulates the mitochondria, which is the little powerhouse of the cell, which everybody knows from high school biology, so it kind of recharges your batteries. And then the fourth thing is, it has a direct pain relieving effect. It inhibits the painful nerve fibers that cause pain. It is an integral part of our regenerative programs. We don't use it as much alone. You can, but we use it together. The bone marrow cells are kind of like the grass seed. The PRP, platelet-rich plasma, is kind of like the fertilizer. And the laser light energy is kind of like the sunlight. Photobiomodulation, look out there, it's beautiful, mood elevated. And light energy absolutely affects us in a positive manner.